Shout out to my goddess and my gods out there. I hope you're gonna take out your pen again and take out the notes. Guys, I'm doing as much as I can to bring the education to South Africa. The valued education that it has never been, or we never been across to. Something that they never taught us, maybe at school or somewhere else. This is a education that came from a Buddha, Jesus, Albert, all this legend. This is an education about your brain system. What is your brain? A brain is something that is designed to see with colors. As you see me here, you look at me and you see that I'm wearing black, you see that I have a ring, you see that I have a tag name of my company, and you see me as standing and talking with you. Understand? This is was a brain designed to react into your body system. So I want to train your brain to think more positively, to attract some good positively into your life. Because we as human, we use our brain so much until we discover that we don't need this. That's why we have AI robots today. That's why we have machines walking around in this earth today, because we are stuck in a box of things that we've been taught. Understand? Things that have been lied to us. Understand? So your brain, look at here. I'm gonna give you a word in the screen and you're gonna read it being silent. Understand? I want you to read this this word. Do you manage to read it while you're silent? It's shocked, hey? You have a voice inside of your head. That's what's reading that's word. Okay. Now I want you to focus here. I'm gonna move. I'm gonna move right now, and I want you to focus here. Just 2 minutes. As you are focusing there, you started to think about yourself, isn't it? You started to come back to your senses and think about yourself. You understand? This is a part of your brain that is doing into your life, because you as a human, you are carrying millions and millions volts in your system. You are a electric human being. There's nobody who can be like you. That's why your brain, it can confuse you if you listen to it. Understand? You are not your brain again. This is what Jesus Christ and Abu and Elberton style were saying to us. We are not our brain. Sometimes we use our brain in so many things, like in the wrong things. That's why we attract poverty into our life. But once you use your brain, as you were reading the word that I was putting in the screen. You are the person who is inside. We are the electricity human being. You can do much thing with your life than other animals on this planet. That's why Jesus Christ was saying, faith comes by hearing. And by trusting yourself, you can do a lot of things. Who are you? You are that person who was reading that word inside of your head. Control your brain to think better for yourself. Thank you.